Okay, we're going to start working on this. This is graph the solution to the inequality below. We haven't done one of these in a long time, so we're probably going to need a little bit of practice here. So let's go ahead and look at this and see where we can get started. This says 5x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 14. So the first thing we're going to have to do is, of course, draw a line, which I'm going to have trouble doing because I don't have my stylus, but I will go ahead and try. I'm going to draw a line right there. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my text to solve this. So I'm going to put that right up here. All right. The first thing I'm going to do is I am going to subtract 4 from each side. So I'm going to subtract 4 there, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to subtract 4 there. Okay, and then I'm going to go down to my next line. So actually, I think I'm going to go ahead and just start a whole new text box down here. So I'm going to draw a line across the bottom. I'll use my line tool so that I can make it straight. Okay, and then this negative 5x is going to move down. All right, so I've got a negative 5x that moves down, plus 4 minus 4 goes away. I've still got greater than or equal to, and then 14 minus 4 gives us 10. So now let's think about what our next step is going to be. So I'm going to come right down here to the bottom, and I'm going to grab my line tool again because we are going to have to divide. So I'm going to put divided by there and divided by there, and we are going to divide by a negative 5 on each side. And when we divide by negative, we have to remember that we are going to have to flip our inequality when we get to that next line. So we're going to divide by 5 there. And then I'm going to come down and get my line tool, and I realize I'm moving into my graph here. But I'm going to put that right there. Okay. And let me see if I can move the graph down a little bit. Oops, no, that didn't work out. It moved everything. All right, I'll see if I can fix that. Hold on. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to try something different. So I'm going to go below this. So negative 5 divided by negative 5 just leaves the x. So down at the bottom, I will have the x. Then, because I divided by a negative, I need to flip my inequality. And then 10 divided by a negative 5 is negative 2. Make sure to use your calculator so you don't make any mistakes. Alrighty then, so since it is less than or equal to, I'm going to use a closed circle. And I'm going to put that closed circle at negative 2, which is right there. Then I see that I am pointing this way. So this is the arrow that I'm going to be using. So this is telling us that our answers are all less than or equal to negative 2. So negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, all of those are solutions to this inequality. Okay? Now let's go to the next one. Oh, that's it for that one. Let's see if we can try the next video.